Discover the engineering brilliance at MrTech. Each homemade wood splitter combines precision, durability, and innovation, making your task faster and safer. It's craftsmanship that marries function with design, perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Building a DIY wood chipper at home is an impressive mix of mechanical skills and sheer persistence. From turning to welding, this project really shows off some hands-on expertise. That said, the small frame and weak motor make it better suited for light tasks rather than heavy-duty jobs. With a few tweaks, though, its performance could be seriously leveled up. This mechanical cutting machine, with its homemade 100-pound hammer, keeps things simple while ensuring ease of use and safety. It's an ideal solution for repetitive tasks. The only downside? Its large size, which can make hauling wood to the machine a bit inconvenient. That said, for large-scale production, its power and stability easily outshine the benefits of traditional hand tools. The Chase shingle saw, introduced in 1910, is a fascinating example of early industrial ingenuity. Powered by the Case traction engine, this machine stands as a testament to the mechanical advancements of its time. While it may appear bulky and limited by today's efficiency standards, it embodies the innovation that laid the groundwork for modern industrial machinery. This homemade wood splitter is seriously a beast. It's built to handle heavy-duty work and can take on big logs without breaking a sweat. The only issue? It doesn't have a clamp to stabilize the wood while splitting, and that missing feature makes it tough to control the logs, leading to some unnecessary fatigue. The saw blade slices through the wood with surgical precision. It's like watching a predator in action, swift, sharp, and dead on target, turning thick lumber into fragile planks. But then I realized the hands so close to that spinning blade are the real wild card. One slip, and not even the sharpest machine can save you. When it comes to homemade saws, this one stands out with its sleek design. The way the blade is set back minimizes unnecessary contact, making it safer while still delivering enough cutting power. The crank mechanism is smooth and precise, allowing you to adjust the depth perfectly with each turn. The only thing is, it might struggle with bigger logs or ones that have a lot of knots. A self-made vertical wood splitter powered by 380 volts is no small feat. When you think about the engineering behind it, the precision needed to build such a device, it's a testament to craftsmanship. The cost isn't just about the materials, it's about the years of experience, the power of automation, and the value of having a tool that delivers reliability. In the world of DIY, efficiency is king. This self-made woodcutter stands out as a masterpiece of engineering. Not only does it deliver 3 times the normal output, but it also balances strength with safety, something rare in custom-made machines. It's a perfect example of what happens when passion meets precision. This custom saw, mounted on a material transport vehicle, is a great choice for getting the job done quickly. But there's a catch. That power comes with a fuel consumption issue. If you're looking for a solution, try finding a balance between power and fuel efficiency. It'll make a big difference. While this DIY wood splitter offers some relief for processing thick logs, the design of the axe blade leaves much to be desired. Its short length compromises the force needed to fully split the wood. To truly optimize this tool, a longer axe is essential. By increasing the blade's length, you'll not only achieve better leverage, but also make splitting more efficient and consistent. Who would have thought that an ordinary car wheel could be the secret ingredient to solving a major problem? By adding a custom pulley, you elevate the whole design into something far more resilient. The belt, no longer just a flimsy accessory, is now the backbone of a robust, long-lasting machine. A few tweaks here and there, and you've got a tool that outperforms factory models every time. The JBM 60TC wood splitter is a machine worth owning, with a 60-ton capacity that easily handles even the toughest logs. It's like a trusty companion, featuring a hydraulic system that balances cutting force and stability, giving you full control with every cut. Curious to see how smoothly it all works? It's definitely an experience you won't want to miss. This wood processing machine stands out not only for its features, but also for the story behind it. Born out of the need to survive in the wilds of Sweden, where harsh winters are the norm, this homemade design is a testament to a deep understanding of the environment and real-life needs. It's simple, made by someone who truly knows the job that needs to be done. Building a homemade wood processing machine is already pretty impressive. But what if I told you that just adding a simple angled saw blade could save a ton of time and effort? By cutting down on the work and speeding up the process, you'll end up with more firewood and less fatigue. Sometimes it's the small changes that make the biggest difference. This isn't just a chainsaw bench. It's proof of durability and smart design. With the MS-390 saw and an 18-inch bar, it may not be the latest model, but it still cuts through everything from pallets to tree branches with ease. The small oil tank is crucial, keeping the system running smoothly by maintaining the perfect balance of oil and water, always ready for the next cut. There's something about the satisfaction of perfectly split firewood. It reminds us of simpler times when chopping wood was a task done with pride. This machine brings that old-school sense of accomplishment back, with a modern twist that makes it quicker and easier than ever. This wood splitter, made back in the 90s, still works like it's brand new, proving that true durability never fades with time. It's a testament to craftsmanship that lasts for decades. Its unique design might stand out in your workshop, but be warned, this tool is built more for the experience than for high-end performance. When testing the Easton-made 22-28 wood splitter with large oak logs, the issue is clearly in the design, especially with the pull handle. There's a concerning gap between the pull handle and the wedge box, which seriously impacts the machine's performance. This design flaw makes the machine less efficient. It's definitely time for a design upgrade to ensure optimal performance. When it comes to splitting wood, precision is the name of the game. Your technique is flawless, turning massive logs into manageable pieces. It's not just about force, it's about leverage and control. The way you handle each log speaks volumes about your skill and knowledge. Every cut is calculated, every movement intentional. This homemade wood separator is designed for performance, achieving an impressive 5,000 RPM. However, to ensure smooth operation under varying loads, a larger pulley must be mounted on the wiper arm. This alteration introduces a pulling force that reduces the RPM under load, thereby preventing the sharp declines in speed typically seen. The Posh Spalt Fix K540 is designed with the precision and durability demanded by professionals. Capable of processing logs up to 55 centimeters in diameter, it delivers a splitting force of up to 35 tons, making it ideal for heavy-duty firewood preparation. Its two-handed control system offers exceptional safety while providing precise and efficient operation. From a practical standpoint, any uncontrolled action increases your risk of injury, whether it's getting your glove caught or losing your grip. Finger, hand, or forearm injuries aren't just painful, they're preventable. Focus on purposeful, controlled movements. Make safety a habit, not an afterthought. The Scotsburn sawmill is a standout example of sustainable engineering. Even though it's old, the machinery still runs efficiently, and its mechanical heart is still beating strong. This just goes to show that great design can stand the test of time, proving that a well-built system, even with age, can still perform brilliantly. The bandsaw equipped with an elevation lift is an essential tool in professional woodworking. Its advanced design enables precision cutting across various wood types, while the lift function ensures consistency and efficiency. Ideal for intricate projects and high-volume tasks alike, this machine embodies the perfect balance of innovation and reliability. The Kelfree wood saw and splitter have been upgraded, setting a new standard for efficiency and precision. This is not just an improvement, it's a game changer for anyone seeking unmatched power and ease in handling heavy-duty woodwork. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? This is the tool you've been waiting for. This DIY bandsaw mill showcases resourcefulness and technical creativity. Powered by a dependable Maxim Vis 6.5 horsepower engine, it performs admirably within its capacity. While a 9 to 12 horsepower engine would boost efficiency significantly, the current setup is practical for most tasks. The woodcutter is engineered to transform your work experience, combining advanced design with practicality. Its joint mechanism alleviates back strain, reducing physical tolls during operation. With a focus on efficiency, this chainsaw offers reliability and versatility for long-term use, built to endure even the most demanding jobs. This automatic round sawdust processing machine is designed for optimal performance, integrating advanced technology to ensure consistent quality. The automated system boosts productivity, minimizes human error, and delivers sawdust with exceptional uniformity. It's truly the future of the wood processing industry, built to grow alongside your business needs. Awesome! This is the log splitter I've been looking for this winter. Powerful engine, quick professional splitting system, and it makes uniform-sized logs. Did you have a great time watching? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for being here. See you next time on Mr. Tech.